It's week 49 of planning, and you know what that means? It's December. It's December. I can't believe it. 4 more weeks of 2025. It's kind of awesome because the 1st is a Monday. So we're gonna have a full spread for Christmas with my Planner Kate stickers for December. I'm really excited. I can't wait. I'm so excited to plan this next week for December. It is actually the Wednesday before Thanksgiving as I film this. So we have not hit Black Friday. We have obviously don't have virtual, or it's called Virtual Monday? Cyber Monday, excuse me. I have no idea what I will have purchased, what I'm gonna purchase. So you'll have to stick around and come back for week 50. Wow, week 50. 4 weeks. It'll be 4 weeks of this series, and we're just, I can't even believe it. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. I loved, and I do love this sticker spread that I did this week. This makes me so happy, and I'm only 3 days into it because it's Wednesday. I have 4 more days to fill it up and have fun with it, but I'm really, really enjoying how this worked out. So let's turn this around. I know everybody is busy. We've got lots going on in December. I don't want to hold you up by making this a really long video, and you know I can get talky and chatty and all the things like I did last week. So I am going to turn this around. We're going to get the stickers in for the first week in December, which is week 49. Here's a look at this week. We're currently on Wednesday. I still need to fill in what's going on. Pretty open, hasn't changed much except Monday and Tuesday I filled in. I have some notes and things happening. December, here's December. This is the calendar view. I did use the Planner Kate washies, these little fun stickers. I love these like little doodles that I got for Christmas, so I want to use more of these. These are really fun, like pick out the tree. Well, we can't do that because we already don't have a tree, but I still have to fill in a bunch of things in here, which I will do. And then we have the month here. But since we only have 4 weeks left of December, I do have a bunch of these. I think I want to save this one for the week of Christmas. So I think I'll start maybe with this one. I've got these 2 right here. And the smaller ones I haven't really used. We have this here, which kind of goes with this. So I don't know, I'm missing one sticker that I didn't buy, one of these that had the weekend on it. So I'm gonna use what I have and not worry about it unless I buy it maybe and it's still available. Oh, right, and I do have, oh no, I'm wrong. I have these 2 as well. So I have these and they have this and this. So this would go with this for the week of Christmas, which is awesome. And we're gonna work with this. I think I'm gonna do red. So I'm gonna make this the Christmas week for red, and this will be this first week and use these, the other ones. So let's get going. Let's fill this up and plan next week.
I am going to wait to put in the weather on Sunday when I do my planning for the week. I don't think it'll change too much because I think the forecasts are pretty good, but I am going to wait on that. I picked these fun little balls to match the balls here, kind of idea from the Happy Planner. This is the, I guess this is the classic Cheerful Seasons planner, Happy Planner stickers. And I thought those were kind of fun just to add something. I do need to put some lists in here. I may go back to my habit tracker here because it's the first week, month, and just where, you know, it's the first. I think I'm going to add this back. I'm going to wait. I'm thinking about this to add in to my habit tracker. I may change it. I may change it up to like counts, like how many steps I count. I mean, how many steps I walk and things like that. I'm not sure. So I'm holding that in there, but I'm glad I was able to figure out how to use some of these other bigger washi that I got in here, because I don't think I used all of these I didn't, see, look, I didn't even use these for November. So I will be able to use these next November. So that's actually something. So I was trying to figure out which ones to put where. And I think this, instead of using a pen, this was kind of a different idea. And I like all these little stickers. So that is the first week in December set up for now. And this will get filled in as I get towards the week. And I'm going to do this on Sunday. So this is to be continued.
Week 49 is all ready to go. I am going to spend some time on Sunday filling in the monthly and then the week ahead. I have it now set up, ready to go. I believe I said this in my welcome sort of chat, it's Wednesday. I have my kids coming in town. I'm actually going to dismantle this room. So that's another reason why I wanted to do this video early, because right here is a Murphy bed. So this is going to come down. I'm going to make this for our son because this is also his bedroom when he's here. He lives in New York, so he's not here that often, but he comes home for the holidays. So I'm really, really excited. So this whole area is going to get cleaned up, put away. I'm going to move to the kitchen where I have a desk there. The lighting's not as good. I don't have everything like set up to do videos. So that's another reason why I wanted to get this done Wednesday. Plus, I really want to spend some time this weekend when I have some free time filling in and organizing the calendar, and that way I have next week set up so I can do it and I don't have to wait to like film it and then fill it in kind of thing. So that is today's video for week 49, first week in December. Crazy that we have now, after this, 3 weeks left of the year. I'm really looking forward to seeing what I can snag at the Planner Kate Black Friday, most likely Cyber Monday, which will have happened by the time this has gone live, because this will be Monday when you see this, if you're watching it in real time, or the Monday that it goes live, which is December 1st. So I'm really excited to see what I'll get and what other things I can find for planning my travel journal. Maybe I'll pick up like a little tote or something to put everything in, because right now everything's kind of all over the place and I would love some sort of organizational system. If you have, and it may be past the time, maybe I've found it, maybe I haven't. If you have any organization caddies, or how do you organize all your things? You know, I have my pens in a little thing like this. I do have the pouches with washies in them. I stack and bring them out when I'm doing my planner, these in the drawer over there. It's just kind of like a little bit of everything everywhere. I've accumulated more than I thought I would, and so I do need to figure out a system. I put the stickers that I'm using in the back little sleeve right here so that I have them and I can add to them as I get appointments and I sort of figure out what's going on. And I do wish I just had a better system. So if you know of, or you use something, or you set up in a certain way that's convenient, I would love to hear what you do, because I am all ears. Would love to get a better system. I'm feeling very disorganized. This room does so many things. I film in here. This is my desk and my computer for work, so I do that in here. I do my makeup in here because this is the best lighting, and I also film my makeup, and I edit my vlogs in here. And it's a guest room. and then I actually leave, which means I need to cart all of this stuff out of here and take it to the kitchen with me. So I think maybe a tote would be kind of great, like a tote that had section in it that I could put things in. Is almost like a toolkit. You know what I mean? Like a box, like a soft tool bag that has sections for different things. But then I don't want this to get all like, anyway, that's where I'm at right now. And I think maybe I'll spend some time looking for that. But if you know of something, let me know. So thank you so much for being here. This is the first planner video you ever watched of me. I have a full series. Like I said, this is the video week 49. So there are 48 other videos of me trying to learn how to plan, using stickers, planning weekly. So if that's you and you're just checking me out for the first time, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next planner video goes up, which was next Monday. I post on Mondays around 3:15 Eastern time, and you can check out what happened, what this week looked like, how I ended up filling in my planner after the fact, which is kind of fun to sort of see how it kind of falls into place. I don't have that many things going on, and so it's pretty simple. I kind of I can't even speak. I try to time block so I know sort of what I kind of did, fill in with errands and things like that, and it's just coming together really nicely. And it's been a really fun year trying to learn how to plan and what works best for me. So thank you so much for being with me today. And I look forward to seeing you in week 50, which will be next week's video. I'll see you then.